We are Global Industrial, and we have over 1 million products to help your business run like a well-oiled machine. We can supply that, and that, and that. But that isn't why you call Global Industrial. You call us for the we, because every one of our million products comes with something more: industrial strength service. Need go-getters? We can supply that. Problem solvers? We can supply that. Independent thinkers, deadline beaters, budget stretchers. We can supply all that. With Global Industrial, you don't just get safety harnesses. You get expertise that keeps your butt out of a sling. You don't just get industrial fans. You get dedication that keeps the you-know-what from hitting the fan. Every mobile scissor lift table comes with can-do muscle. Every floor scrubber with loads of brain power. Around here, people who sell fire extinguishers also have experience putting out fires. We're always ready to roll up our sleeves to go above and beyond day and night 24/7. So buyers can be rock stars. We are Global Industrial. We're approachable, energetic, and tenacious. The fusion of common sense and uncommon commitment. A team dedicated to the business of helping your business move forward. We are Global Industrial, and we can supply that.